Alright, Summer, our schedule is we'll do these word problems here, and then you'll get our, we'll get a little bit of free time, yeah, and then we'll finish some more math, okay? Okay, here we go. Let's look at our first one here. It's right here. Foghorn Leghorn and Sylvester the cat are collecting clothes for the winter. Foghorn Leghorn collected 1/4 as many clothes as Sylvester the cat. Bugs Bunny wanted to give 2/9 of his clothes to them. If Sylvester collected 2/3 of a bag of clothes, how many bags of clothes did Foghorn Leghorn collect? So I'm going to go ahead and write these out. Are you watching me as I do this?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 1/4, and 1/4 is clothes, and we have 2/9, which is clothes, and we have 2/3, and the 2/3 is clothes as well. Now, if we look here, will you look at your word problem? Look, we don't need Bugs Bunny, do we? We do not need the 2/9. Okay, what does Tweety want us to do? Which operation are we circling?
Multiplication.
Yeah, Tweety loves multiplication. Oh, look here. What does he say here?
Write out the fraction, the operation you circled from Tweety.
So we circled this, and do you see our fractions? Okay, so look here. So 1/4 times 2/3. Can you put your head up for me? Uh-oh, we're at Elmer Fudd.
Hurry up and multiply those scattering numerators, because I've got some rabbit hunting to do, y'all.
Yeah, good. So 2 times 1 is 2. Porky Pig takes his hat off and says,
now go ahead and multiply the denominators.
yeah, the denominator is good. Oh boy.
Our favorite.
What's he say?
Alright, we're going country. Yeehaw! Come on now, partners, and write those numbers 1 through 12 in your big pecking work schedule area.
Good.
Yeehaw!
Alright, now what does Coyote say here?
Starting for 12, circle the number that has the numerator and denominator in your favorite multiplication song.
So 2 and 12 is not in 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ooh, it's in 2. 2 is in the first garage, 12 is in the sixth. Okay, awesome. You get an eraser.
Hey, before I do it on my own, I have one really... I have a question.
Okay, can you come back over here, please?
But I have to find the eraser.
I got the eraser already.
I just have to say, how'd you think of making a multiplication CD?
Oh, for the multiplication facts? Because, so we sit down here and I'll tell you about it, okay?
Okay.
I just thought it would be good to put the multiplication tables into a song.
And what's the band called that you made?
I'll tell you what. Let's finish this one and then I'll tell you that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Let's do this one, then I'll tell you the band. Okay. Look right here, okay? Foghorn Leghorn and Sylvester the cat are collecting clothes for the winter. Foghorn Leghorn collected 1/4 as many clothes as Sylvester the cat. Bugs Bunny wanted to give 2/9 of his clothes to them. If Sylvester collected 2/3 of a bag of clothes, how many bags of clothes did Foghorn Leghorn collect? Will you write your fractions out? Get this set so I'll keep moving. There you go. Good job. Tweety wants you to multiply. Tasmanian, what's he doing with his arms? He puts them behind his back. And what's he say to you?
Circle the operation and write the fraction that you circled from Tweety.
Good, you wrote the multiplication sentence. Oh boy.
Hurry up and multiply those scary numerators, cause I've got some rabbit hunting to do, y'all.
You got it.
1 times 2 is 2, right?
2 times 2 is 2.
No, it's 1 times 2.
1 times 2 is 2. You're right. Good job. You found it. Roadrunner wants you to... Good job. Roadrunner wanted you to put the garage numbers there. Okay, now as I erase this, I'll tell you about... I don't have a band name really for it. I just kind of made a CD. And I did all the instrument parts.
Yeah, but I want to know what the band is called that made the CD.
I don't have a band name really for it.
How about Mr. Huffman and the Multiplication Band?
It does sound good. Okay. Thanks.
Am I trying to guess what's the first song on there?
Tell me what you think it is and we'll get started. Oh yeah, the Force.
Why'd you want to start with it?
Okay, let's get started with this and then we'll talk all about it, okay? Okay, so we're going to leave everything where it is, okay? Now, are you... Hold on a second, sir. Are you good with how everything is? Because remember, when you start, I have to walk away, okay? Are you good with how the camera is? Okay, awesome. Alright, so leave the paper right where it is, okay? Okay, here we go. At the farm, 4/5 of the Looney Tune characters can dance. Of the Looney Tune characters who can dance, 1/4 can sing. Sometimes 2/3 of the Looney Tune characters are tired. What fraction of the Looney Tune characters on the farm can sing? You may start your schedule.
Then you'll tell me all about what the band did. I said sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Summer, just do your schedule, please. Are you done?
Yep.
Okay. Listen, I want to tell you something real quick.
What?
When you were telling me sorry, you remember when you were saying you're sorry? I can't answer you when you do your test. You just have to remember that you have.
I know.
When you do your schedule, we just have to do our schedule, okay?
I know.
Okay.